Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that it's been a minute since I was last on here, but today I'm super excited because I'm sitting down and filming this video in partnership with Vessi Footwear. They actually just sent me a package in the mail and I'm super excited to open it up because these shoes that they sent me are supposedly 100% waterproof. So I guess this is sort of going to be like an unboxing slash review type of video. So I'm super excited to try these shoes out, so I think that I'm just going to dive right into the package that they sent me. They sent me their Cityscape sneakers and I chose them in the color Midnight Black. This style of shoe also does come in a charcoal gray, a white, and a green as well, I believe, so if those colors interest you more, by all means. I just went with the black because I think that it's most versatile with my wardrobe. So this is what their Cityscape sneaker looks like. As you can see, it's just a relatively simple black sneaker with a white sole. The first thing that I notice when I'm holding the shoe up is that it's super lightweight, and I think that it's because the material is made out of knitwear, which I think is super cool, but I don't know, a little bit confusing as to how it could be 100% waterproof. We're gonna test that out later in this video. So the owner of the company did also let me know that there are only vegan materials used in the making of the shoe, which I think is super cool. So like I said, I think it's just a really classic looking sneaker, and when it comes to styling, I think that there's a couple different ways you can go about it. Obviously you can wear this with athletic wear when you're going to the gym or going on a hike, or I could even see myself wearing this with like cuffed jeans at the ankle and an oversized t-shirt or a hoodie. I'm actually going to be shooting with this brand at some point over the course of the next week, so I think that by the time I post this YouTube video, there will be a couple different looks over on my Instagram page that you can check out. So the one thing that I will say about this shoe, despite the fact that this video is sponsored, because you guys know that I'm always going to keep it 100, I did find them a little bit difficult to put on. So these are the first pair of shoes that I've ever had that don't have a tongue. They're just sort of like, you know, one throughout. And I did find them a little bit difficult to slip on. I'm not sure if it's because these shoes are brand new and they need to be broken in, or if they loosen up over time, but I found this area around the ankle here to be super tight and gripping. It might have something to do with the fact that these shoes are supposed to be 100% waterproof, so that would make sense because you don't want any water to get in at all. But that's just sort of, you know, the one constructive piece that I have. So I have had the opportunity to try these shoes on. I wore them earlier this morning. I think that I maybe wore them for like an hour or an hour and a half. Just ran some errands in them. Like I said earlier, I thought that this shoe was really lightweight, and I thought that it was also really comfortable as well. I thought that it was almost like even wearing a sock. And I thought that the knitwear material was actually really breathable, which I was surprised at because the shoe is supposed to be waterproof. I wasn't expecting it to be as breathable as it was. So I really want to go put these shoes to the test and see if they really are 100% waterproof, because I haven't had the chance or opportunity to do that yet. If they were, I would be ecstatic because I live in Vancouver where it literally rains 8 months out of the year, and I think that this would just be such a functional and practical shoe. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, this brand is based out of Vancouver, and I know that a lot of my demographic and followers are from this area, so you know, it's always good to support local. But yeah, I just want to go really test this out. So to test these shoes out, I was just going to run some water over them in my bathroom, but the lighting was just so disgusting I could not. So we are walking down to the river to test these out. Can you say dedication? Also, like, God, I could have fucking moisturized my legs for this. Okay, so if these shoes really aren't 100% waterproof, I'm gonna be pissed. Because it's November in Canada. This water is freezing. You guys, this is wild. No water is getting into the shoe. Okay, I think I'm stepping in goddamn shit, but no water is getting, oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry, we had some technical difficulties. So I'm not sure if you guys can really see, but the water is just completely repelling off of the shoe. Like, absolutely nothing is getting in here whatsoever. Wild. So there you guys have it. The shoes really are 100% waterproof. I'm like kind of mind blown, but so happy. If you guys are interested in getting your hands on a pair for yourself, I do have an affiliate code that you can use. It's just BrandonFung15 with 2 N's after the second N. I'll leave all of this information in the description as well, and I'll like leave my code like right here or something. Like I said, there's other colors that you can choose from as well, and other styles of shoes that they have, so make sure you check them out. And if you do get a pair, tag me in your Instagram photos because I would love to see how you guys style and wear them. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in my next video.